Good morning. So today's topic is rounding the numbers to nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay. So let's go for the first one. We are going to learn the rounding the numbers to tens. So look at these numbers 56, 38, 41, the 48, 31, and 25. Let's go for the first number. 56. Okay. So where does the number 56 lie? Where will be 56? 56 should be between it should be between 50 to 60. Okay, fine. So I'm supposed to round to tens. Okay, so I have supposed to round to tens. Which is the nearest 10? Tens is the first thing you're going to look for here. Okay, so look for this number. Go for the tens place in this number. The tens place in this number is 6. So when you see a 6, 6 is more than 5. So I have to go all the way down to the right hand side. So the rounding to nearest tens is 60. Okay, so what is the rule? If it is we are going for looking for the place value, and if it is 5 and if it is going to be more than 5, you are going to go all the way to the right hand side. Okay, let's go for the second problem. 48. Where does 48 lie? 48 lies between 40 and 50. Okay, now you just go for your tens place. Okay, so you are going to round for tens. Okay, how many zeros are there? There is one zero, so you are going to look for the only one digit over the ones place. Okay, so you are going to see the number to be as 8. What does 8 lie? Is it more than 5 or it's less than 5? If it is going to be more than 5, I'm going to go all the way to the right hand side. If it is to be less than 5, I'm going to go all the way to the left hand side. Okay, so what is 8? 8 is more than 5. So I'm going to go all the way to the right hand side. What does it come? It is 50. Okay, so I'm going to write down the answer as 50. Okay, the next one 31. Okay, where does 31 lie? Let's see, where does 31 lie? 31 lies between 30 and 40. Okay, how we are going to round for tens. Okay, how many zeros are there? Only one zero is there, so you're going to look for only one digit in the ones place. Okay, and what is the number is 1. Do you think that it is more than 5? No, it's not more than 5, it's less than 5. So we are going to go all the way to the left hand side. What is the number? It is 30. Okay, so we are going to write down the answer as 30. The next one, let's go for the 25. Okay, so where does 25 25 is? Where does 25 lie? 25 lies between 20 and 30. Where does 25 lie? It's between here. Okay, so what about this number in the ones place? Okay, you're supposed to check the number in the ones place. What is the number in the ones place? It is 5. It is 5. So you're going to go all the way to the right hand side. So what is the hint you have learned? If it is 5 and if it is 5 plus, you're going to go to the right hand side. If it is less than, okay, if it is less than this one, if the number is less than 5, you're going to go all the way to the left hand side. Okay, so this is rounding to tens. Let's go for rounding hundreds. Let's take a number. It's to be as 326. And let's go for the next number 48. So 481. And the next number, let's take it as 553. Okay, so let's go, let's start. Okay, let's start with the number 326. Okay, so we are drawing a line. Okay, so where does 326 lie, children? 326 lies between 300 and 400. So okay, fine, it lies between 300 and 400. Okay, how many zeros are there in 100? Two zeros are there. Okay, so you're going to come for the second part. Okay, second place, you're going to look for this number. Okay, 26, that is 2. Okay, is 2 greater than 5 or less than 5? It is less than 5, so we are going to go all the way to the left hand side. So what is the answer for this number? Rounding to hundreds, the answer is 300. Okay, 481. Okay, let's draw 481. Okay, where is 481? Let's see where is 481. 481 is between 400 and 500. Okay, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So go for the second zero. Okay, you're going to go look for the tens place now. In case of rounding to tens, you're going to check for the ones place. In case of rounding to hundreds, you're going to check for the tens place. Okay, so in tens place, what is the number? The number is 8. Okay, is it greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So you're going to go to the right hand side. So let's hop to this. So 481 is should be here, and you're going to go all the way to the right hand side. So what is the answer over there? The answer is 500. Okay, let me separate this. The next one, 553. 553. Let's go for 553. Okay, so where is 553, kids? 553 lies between 500 and 600. Okay, 500 and 600. So 553. Okay, which is the place you're supposed to look now? We are going to look for the tens place number. Okay, you're going to look for the tens place number. What is that number? That number is 5. What is the rule? If it is going to be 5 and if it is going to be more than 5, go to the right hand side. See, the answer for this problem is 600. Okay, I hope you understood with rounding with the tens and rounding with the hundreds. Okay, so let's go for some problem for rounding with 1000. 3215. Then the second problem as 4673, and the third problem to be as like 8931. Okay, let's have like this. Okay, so we are going to look for this number. Okay, let's go and identify the number line now. Okay, so where does this 3215 lie? So it should be between 3000 and 4000. The number lies between 3000 and 4000. Okay, now how many zeros are in 1000, kids? 3 zeros are there, and you are going to look for the hundreds place. Okay, you're going to look for the hundreds place. What is the number there? It's 2. It is less than 5, so the arrow should go leftwards. Okay, so we are going to go to the left hand side. Okay, so the answer for the first problem, we are going to write down the answers. For the first problem, the answer is 3000. Okay, done. Let's go for the second problem. Okay, the second problem is 4673. 4000. Okay, so where does this number lie? The number starting from 4000, and it should be between 5000. So it's 4000 to 5000. Okay, fine. Now where you're supposed to look? You're going to look for the hundreds place number. What is that number? It is 6. Okay, in case of a 6, அது என்னவா இருக்குது? அது வந்து 5 விட கிரேட்டராக இருக்குது. அப்போ நம்ம எந்த சைட் போகணும்? ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைட். மூவ் டு த ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைட். So the answer for the second problem should be 5000. Okay, let's go for the third problem. Third problem, where will it lie? Third problem எங்கே இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Third problem, 8931. 8931. 8000. இதுதான் நீங்கள் வாசிக்கிறீங்க. 8000 சொல்லும் போதே 8000 சொல்கிறீங்களா? So the number will lie between 8000 to 9000. 8000க்கும் 9000க்கும் நடுவில் தான் எங்கேயோ இருக்காங்க. Okay, the next thing, we are going to go for rounding, right? So வந்து 1000ல எத்தனை zeros இருக்கு? 3 zeros இருக்கு. நம்மளும் என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா ஒரு ஸ்டெப், 2 ஸ்டெப், 3ஆவது ஸ்டெப் லைக் 1 2 3 தேர்ட் பிளேஸில் இருக்கிற நம்பரை போய் பார்க்குறோம். அங்கே என்ன இருக்குது? இட் இஸ் 9. ஓகே, இஸ் இட் கிரேட்டர் தென் 5 ஆர் லெஸ் தென் 5? இட் இஸ் கிரேட்டர் தென் 5. அப்போ நம்ம எந்த சைட் போனோம்? we are going to go to the right hand side. So the answer for the third problem will be 9000. Okay, so rounding numbersல முக்கியமான key. Okay, what is that key? 1 0 அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸில் இருக்கிறத பார்க்கணும். 2 zeros இருக்குது அப்படின்னா you are going to look for the second பிளேஸில் இருக்கிற நம்பர் பார்க்கணும். 3 zeros அப்படின்னா you are going to look for the third place number. Okay, I hope I made you understand with this. Okay, thank you.